Guys, we're gonna do some exploring back here. I never took this road before. I'm not sure where it leads to. Some kind of horse spur, apparently. But we're gonna just scope it out real quick and see what's going on back here. Sometimes I like to do this when I'm riding. I just start making random turns and going any which way I feel like. And we're checking out a new road. Everything's pretty damp, so I'm kind of going slow today. This is the first warm day we've had in a long time. It's just been a lot of snow and blizzards. But I woke up today at 65 and sunny. And it was raining a little earlier, but you could see everything's still wet. So we're just kind of having a chill ride. I'm honestly just really grateful to be back out here on two wheels, you know, gripping this throttle. It's my favorite. I've been so cooped up all these past few months, all the snow and cold weather. It's nice to finally get back out again. How about we make this turn? What's this called? Chambers Road. Let's see what this is all about. Windy, but a little wet. Might be better to come back here on a dry day, but let's scope it out, see if we can find a new spot. It's like some of my roads, as awesome as they are, I've been on them like so many times. Sometimes I just gotta explore and just try to find something new. And that's what we're gonna do today on this Chambers Road. I don't see any cars out here. There's like nobody around. No outlet. Alright, then we'll just turn down this one. I was just about to blast it down that one, but there's no outlet, so let's not do that. Looks like we lost the stripes down the middle of the road. That's how you know we got ourselves pretty far out here. This looks dirty. Let's not dump it in this dirt. Do you ever do stuff like this? Just start making random turns and trying to find new stuff? I feel like that's part of the fun of motorcycling. It's definitely the funnest part of solo riding. I don't have to worry about anyone being like, where the hell's Jared going? You know what I mean? I just start turning like crazy. See what we get ourselves into. It's pretty neat back here. Can't really go that fast because it's kind of narrow. Definitely not today, it's wet. But I don't think you could really go that fast back here, even in ideal conditions. People living back here, huh? I don't know. Where do they work? Like, I feel like it could take you so long to just get out of this area to even get to a highway or, you know, a building to work at. Maybe they all work from home or they're independently wealthy. Who knows? They don't mind a long commute. I like it out here, but anytime you want to go to a store, it seemed like it'd be a big pain in the butt. Like, do you want to go to a store? Yeah. Well, that's going to be like an hour. Let's just start turning. This way? What do you think? That sounds good. Alright guys, well thanks for joining me on my ride today. If you had a fun time, hit that like button. And drop me a comment. Let me know where your favorite places to ride are. And definitely hit that subscribe button. Alright, peace!